LM Filler is a leather repair compound, specifically designed for repairing deep holes, cuts, and abrasions. Now let's take a look at how to use LM Filler. Before starting to repair the hole in the shoe, we must make sure the item to be repaired is clean and dust-free. Use LM Cleaner or LM Cleaner Strong if necessary, and allow the item to dry before proceeding to the next step. Our shoe has been cleaned and dried fully. Now let's see how to use the filler repair compound. Apply LM Filler inside the hole or scratch by using your finger or a small spatula. Press evenly and make sure there are no air pockets inside the filler. Leave to dry thoroughly. Dry time is based on the room temperature and humidity levels. 6 to 8 hours is the minimum time. However, best results come if left overnight to dry. Sand the surface using a grade 120 or 200 fine sandpaper and dust off any remaining residue. Don't worry if the surrounding leather gets slightly scraped from the sanding action. In the following step, it will be repaired. Next, apply 1 or 2 thin layers of Stop Crash in the color needed to cover the sanded and surrounding areas of the repair. Then, use a small sponge or your finger to spread the Stop Crash in a uniform manner over the area and allow sufficient time for it to dry. Lastly, finish off by using Cera LM liquid wax cream in the color needed in order to restore the surface of the leather.